Do you have a disability, and are you between the ages of 15 and 30? Are you having a hard time starting your career? We'll help you find employment that works for you. Neil Squire's free Empower3D program is here to guide you toward a fulfilling career in the manufacturing sector and beyond. With tailored support, hands-on training, and the right accommodations to help you succeed, Empower3D will help you explore careers, overcome barriers to employment, and provide you with paid work experience. You'll begin with 14 weeks of pre-employment and skills training, either in person at our Burnaby, Regina, or Fredericton office or online. You'll cover everything from the soft skills you need in the job search to specialized on-the-job skills and certifications. You'll gain practical and hands-on experience, enhance your resume, and increase your employability, all while being fully supported by our team. Neil Squire occupational therapists and assistive technology specialists will help to ensure you have the tools and training you need to succeed. Once you complete the training, you'll move on to a 12-week full-time paid work placement. We find placements in a variety of settings and across many different areas of employment. You may find yourself working in a warehouse, a production facility, an office, a greenhouse, or in a more technical setting. You could work with computers and electronics, graphics, food, or apply your skills in an admin role. The possibilities are endless. You'll leave our program with new experience and transferable skills. Gain confidence, develop in-demand skills, and build your future. Your path to employment starts here. Are you ready to join Neil Squire's Empower3D program? Visit neilsquire.ca to learn more, or call us at 1-877-673-4636.